how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Christmas panda. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. So if you're a total beginner and you just made it here, perfect. Stick around. Super short lesson, maybe about 8 minutes or so. And by the end of it, you'll learn how to draw this thing from your mind. So let's get started, okay? Whew. Before I do that, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Christmas drawings, or if you like learning how to draw Halloween drawings, this is a seasonal channel. If you like any of that stuff, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. When you click the bell notification, it's going to let you know when I post. I post I post every season. So throughout Christmas, tons of Christmas drawings, right? Tutorials. Halloween, tons of Halloween tutorials. Middle of the year, I post a lot less, but it's going to be, something maybe movie related, something like that. So anyways, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curved line over here for one side of the ear. Curved line up, across, and I'm going to draw a little hint of a hat over here. So I'm going to cut in. It's not going to have the ear over there. I'm going to go over here on this end. Draw one end of the brim of the Christmas hat. Curve over. It's just falling over on the side over here. Close that off. Go over here on right below. Curve underneath for under his face. Go over here. Down. Underneath, straight across. Fill in. I'm gonna fill in, that part of the panda. So far, it looks like nothing. So let's get into the hat. Curve that top portion of the hat. Go over here on this side, curve up. It's kind of like that fold. Down. Go over here, down. And a circle at the end of that hat. Let's go over here to the body. Curve. Curve. Teddy bear. It's like a panda bear. A lot of curve. Down over here. Down over here. Curve right here for the bottom portion of the body. Let's go down. Down. Out underneath. Out underneath. Fill in, fill in, fill in. Right here. Line over here for the arm. And I'm going to fill that in. Over here as well. It's really just like a J curve, right? Right on. Okay, let's go into the eyes. So let's draw that. Draw that on this side. Do not fill that in, because you're going to throw another circle inside of that. That's going to be the eye. That's going to be the eye. And then you're going to fill in that outside section. Fill this in. Going over here for the nose, pulling down a little triangle, and you can fill that one in immediately. And lastly, for drawing your curve, smile there, and line connecting it to the mouth. Sweet. Let's add in a little bit of color, okay? So let me grab a red. And well, actually, let me grab a different red. I think a different red. Where is my red marker? Well, I have a red over here, and that is going to. Oh yeah, here it is. So I got a red here, and we're gonna fill in just the hat, right? That's really the only thing left. So as far as coloring goes, I recommend that you use either marker or colored pencil. I know it's a little bit weird because, well, I don't know. See, the thing is, if I was to pick one, I would pick colored pencil. But the thing is, if you like speed and like to be quick, I would pick marker, because marker is a lot faster. If it's not, like, this one's drying out on me. That's why it's taking me so long just to color this. But, yeah, I would definitely get one that's not dry, like this one here. But the cool thing is that Prismacolor is the best one. This is okay. It's like a creative expert. Prismacolor is the best. I'll put the link in the description for that at some point. But, yeah. Oopsie daisy. Just need to fill this in, and then I can throw this marker out, because this marker is very, very dry. But I want to thank you very much for watching. If there's any other specific video you want to see, let me know. Don't forget, check out the cool stuff in the description. I have full lessons on Skillshare. That stuff's in the description. It's a really big deal to a lot of people to, you know, do that. If you want to add some to this, by the way, throw like a blue on the side here, just like on the side of the white parts. I'm not going to do it for him, though. I'm just going to do it for the hat. I could do it for him a little bit, just on the side here. And it gives a little bit of dimension. I want to thank you very much. You're amazing, and I will see you soon. Say hi to me in the comments if you got to this point, and I'll know that you got to this point, okay? Otherwise, please do the channel a favor, hit the like, and share it with a friend, okay? Share the video. I'll see you soon.